Alright, if your PC feels slower than usual, your hard drive may be failing. Here's how to check using one CMD command. Click the search bar, type CMD, and select Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, type WMIC disk drive get status. Press Enter. On recent Windows 11 builds, WMIC may not be installed by default. If running WMIC gives you an error saying the command isn't recognized or isn't installed, here's how to add it. Go to Settings, then System, then Optional Features. Click View Features next to Add an optional feature. Click See Available Features, and in the search box, type WMIC. Select it from the list and click Add. Wait for the installation to complete. Return to Command Prompt and run WMIC disk drive get status again. It will now work correctly. Windows queries the SMART data from every storage device connected to your system and returns a simple status for each one. OK, the drive's SMART data shows no warning flags. All monitored attributes are within acceptable ranges. PredFail, predictive failure, one or more SMART attributes have crossed their warning threshold. Back up your data immediately. Drive failure may be imminent. Unknown, SMART data couldn't be read from this drive, which can happen with certain external drives or older hardware. If all drives return OK, your drives are currently healthy. If anything returns PredFail, treat it as a serious warning. For Windows 10 and 11 users who want a more reliable option that doesn't require WMIC, open PowerShell as administrator and type get physical disk space pipe symbol space select-object space friendly name, comma, health status, comma, operational status. Press Enter. PowerShell returns 3 columns for every physical disk in your system: friendly name, the drive model name, health status, healthy, warning, or unhealthy, operational status, OK means the drive is functioning normally. Any other value warrants investigation. This is the modern, actively maintained command that Microsoft recommends for disk health queries on current Windows versions. If you're on Windows 11, this is the approach to use. Make this part of your regular PC maintenance. Checking every few months catches problems early before a bad drive turns into an emergency. For a deeper drive health analysis, including SMART attributes, total hours, and remaining write endurance, check our full Crystal Disk Info Guide linked in the description. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I post practical Windows guides every day. Thanks for watching.